Artificial intelligence, it's a term that's been buzzing around for a while now. But have you ever wondered about its role in modern warfare? It's a question that's more relevant today than it ever was. AI is not just a fad, folks, it's transforming the way military operations are conducted across the globe. Let me tell you about the Gospel, an AI system that's changing the game in the face-off between Israel and Gaza. Now, this isn't some sci-fi movie plot, it's real-world stuff happening right now. The Gospel is like a super-smart detective sifting through mountains of data, cell phone messages, satellite images, drone footage, and even seismic sensor readings. And what does it do with all that data? It helps pinpoint enemy combatants and equipment. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, only this haystack is an ocean of information. Think about this for a second. A simple cell phone message or a snippet of drone footage could hold the key to locating an enemy stronghold. That's the kind of power the Gospel wields. But it's not just about gathering data. The Gospel is also designed to minimize civilian casualties. By accurately identifying enemy targets, it ensures that military actions are precise and targeted. It's a big leap forward in a world where collateral damage is often a tragic outcome of conflict. But it's not all rosy. Like any powerful tool, the Gospel has its critics. Some question its effectiveness, while others worry about its potential misuse. Is the Gospel really as good as they say it is? Could it be used to justify civilian casualties? These are valid concerns, and as we tread into this new era of warfare, it's crucial that we weigh the potential benefits of AI against the ethical issues it raises. The Gospel, while hailed as a triumph by the Israeli military, has also attracted its share of detractors. Critics are questioning its effectiveness, accuracy, and ethical implications. It's like the old saying goes, garbage in, garbage out. If the Gospel is fed biased or skewed data, it's going to reflect those biases in its output. And in the heat of a conflict, such blunders can have disastrous consequences. Then there's the issue of civilian casualties. While the Israeli military insists that the Gospel has helped reduce such incidents, critics argue that the system might be used to justify the killing of innocent civilians. It's a heated debate and one that's not going to be resolved anytime soon. The Gospel, despite its revolutionary capabilities, is not without its challenges. As we venture further into this new frontier, we need to ask ourselves, are we ready for the potential consequences? Are we prepared to manage the risks? The debate continues, but one thing is clear. The Gospel and AI systems like it are changing the face of warfare. Now imagine a future where AI systems like the Gospel could make real-time decisions, scanning vast swathes of data, identifying threats, and even predicting enemy strategies. It's like having a crystal ball that could give you a glimpse into the future. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we've seen with the Gospel, the use of AI in warfare is not without its controversies. Even as AI evolves, we can't afford to sideline the human element. We still need human analysts to review AI-generated targets to ensure accuracy and to make the final call. It's a delicate balance, one that could potentially revolutionize warfare while also posing new ethical dilemmas. In the end, it's clear that AI has the potential to change the dynamics of the battlefield. But as we race towards technological superiority, we must also ensure that we don't lose sight of the ethical considerations. As AI continues to evolve, its role in warfare is set to change, forever altering the landscape of conflict. So while we marvel at the power of AI, let's also remember to tread with caution. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. We would love to hear from you. Please leave your opinion. Until we meet again, FuturAi explorers, stay safe and curious.